And the ingredients for my Christmas family dinner are... one mum who is very creative. One dad who is always playing silly games with us.
Boo!
One little sister who loves nothing more than bouncing on a trampoline. One grandpa who loves to laugh and always tells me funny jokes. And one grandma who tells the best stories. By now you must be wondering, what's for dinner? Randomly, I just jumped. Christmas is one of my favourite times of the year, mainly because of the food. Because my mum is Malaysian and my dad is Australian, food has always been a mix of East meets West for our Christmas dinner. Today we're going to be making Malay Chicken Wings, bits and bobs for the barbie, cookie Christmas Pressies for all my friends and family. And for dessert, Pandan Pavlova, a twist on an Aussie classic. Let's get our festive food hunt on. It's time to go Christmas food shopping. This is our local market where we pick up all of our ingredients. So what about we start off at the back with the veggies?
Yep. You guys can help me get the rocket leaves. 3 big scoops of it, darling. So we need 2 punnets of blueberries. Do you guys want to go look for it?
I take this one, you take that one. Bunch asparagus, none left.
That's where it's supposed to be.
I think we've still got some at home, maybe.
We might have, actually.
I'm just going to get these 2 because they look nice. So what do we need next? Oh. Yay! They're here! Asparagus.
Perfect.
Phew!
That's a good idea. Perfect.
Now we need some chicken at the chicken shop.
Have you got some chicken wings? But I'll have it in the wingettes and the drumettes separately. Thank you. What did we say, guys?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See ya.
Bye.
See ya. It's back to the house to get started. This dinner isn't going to cook itself.
So Liam, we're going to make some KL chicken wings for Christmas dinner. What we first need to do is we need to get the seeds toasted on the pan. Do you want to help me?
Yes.
Yep. Cool.
Do we just do this for like
Yep.
just
For a
minutes?
couple of minutes, and then we should be done. Ooh, have a smell. Ooh, smells good, right? Beautiful.
My mum is an expert at chicken wings. I love ketchup mayonnaise.
I know you do, darling. Oh, that's plenty.
So what's your favourite food from KL?
I really like to eat curry laksa when I go back.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. My favourite is roti canai.
I know. We have that all the time, don't we?
Oh yeah, and muruk.
Yeah.
Now we pop this in the fridge for later. Time to get the barbecue fired up. Hey Dad, what you doing?
Just at the moment putting a couple of shrimps on the barbie, and we're just brushing on some garlic butter to make them delicious.
Is garlic butter nice?
Of course it is. Of course it is.
Well, I've never had it actually, so.
Wow,
dunno.
it's something new then, isn't it? Ava, do you like prawns?
Yeah, I actually really like prawns.
They're delicious, but they're a bit fiddly. What I need is a serving platter to put the prawns on.
Serving
Can you
platter.
go grab one, please?
No problemo. Nobody runs the barbecue quite like my dad.
I like to help out in the kitchen too. My favourite job is to help make the Christmas cookies.
So Ava, would you like to pick what cutter you would like to do?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Excellent. Who do you think we're going to give these to?
Auntie Carrie, maybe?
Okay, to Auntie Carrie. Yeah.
Usually when you push them down, you can hear like a crunchy sound. And I like that.
You like that.
How long do they need to be in the oven for?
For about 10 to 12 minutes. So they're nice and golden brown. Okay?
Yep.
So let's do that. Okay, we have cookies.
Yay! Here's a little trick I like to call last-minute Christmas shopping.
Who are we giving it to?
I did my first one to Cameron.
To Cameron. And who's Cameron, Lynn?
My teacher. Pavlova is my favourite dessert and my mum's is the best, and it has a special twist. So what is Pandan?
Pandan is from a plant that comes from Southeast Asia.
Interesting.
It has quite a sweet taste to it, and we normally put it in a lot of Asian desserts.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Is it yummy, Ava?
I love it.
Yeah, I think you can, Ava. Huh.
Well, now we've got perfect soft peaks, so now we can pour it out. So I'll just get it all out onto the sheets and we can smooth it out.
Now the pav is ready, we can add the whipped cream and the fruit. It's looking good. I'm feeling festive now.
Are you kids getting excited for Christmas yet?
Yeah.
Totally.
It's time for Christmas dinner! Merry Christmas!
What goes into the water pink and becomes out blue?
Don't know.
A swimmer on a cold day.
Excellent, Missy Mary.
All right, what does everybody love about Christmas?
Presents.
Lynn likes presents.
I think I like the family all coming together.
And all the people, grandchildren, indeed. Excellent.
I really enjoyed cooking today because, I got to spend the day with my family and it was just in general fun, you know. Does anyone here have New Year resolutions?
Be a better morning person.
Better morning person.
It's a bit doubt, actually.
Thanks, Lynn. Who's ready for dessert?
It is really delicious.
It's really nice.
Mum, now you're a Pavlova master.